Now more than ever is an optimal time to offer MOR Mini Implants for your patients. The temporary closing of your dental practices due to COVID-19 has most likely had a significant financial impact on your business. Your practice will need to reduce costs, and your patients will need affordable treatment options in order to accept implant treatment plans. Stern Gold Dental, one of the oldest dental companies in the country, can provide you a solution with the MOR Mini Implant system for implant-secured dentures. A fixed hybrid case using conventional root form implants can cost a patient about $25,000 per arch. A 2-implant secured removable denture case about $5,000. But an implant secured overdenture using MOR Mini dental implants is less than half that cost. MOR is affordable. Drilling right through the gingiva, how many seconds does it take to prepare an osteotomy for a MOR Mini implant? Your cost is less than $300 for 4 implants plus housings when you include your discount. Because so many patients are accepting this affordable, minimally invasive procedure, your practice growth opportunities are significant. And MOR Mini implants are completely compatible with the 3M Imtech MDI system. Your investment in a MOR 30 starter kit is only $2,400. And our MOR 10 starter kit is only $599. We will also provide you free content for your website, including a short video to increase search engine optimization, or SEO. Free patient education trifolds and a 30-minute virtual team training will ensure effective, consistent patient education to increase case acceptance and grow your implant revenues. MOR is used by some of the largest DSOs in the country. And you can attend several free on-demand webinars. MOR Mini Implants by Stern Gold Dental. Call us today to set up an appointment.